Hello seniors, and congratulations on your upcoming graduation. At the end of the school year, your Lynbrook Office 365 license will be discontinued and you will no longer have access to your account. This video will walk you through the steps of transferring files from your current Lynbrook Office 365 OneDrive and moving them to a new personal OneDrive account that you create so that you will have access to your files after you graduate. In order to begin the process, the first thing that you will want to do is log into your Lynbrook Office 365 account. From here, you're going to click on your OneDrive and access all of your files. You will need to start determining which files you would like to download to take with you. If you don't need all of them, there's no need for you to go through the steps of downloading them. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to determine which files I want to download, and I will go through the process of checking off the bubble. From there, I will go and click up top where it says download, and I am going to be downloading these files. I click on the pop-up menu and I'm going to go to Save As, and I'm going to want to make sure that those files go into my Downloads folders so that I know where to find them. And then I'll go ahead and click Save. I can keep continuing with the downloading process by clicking on entire folders or individual documents as necessary. So if in a week after you do the process the first time, you realize that there's more files you want to transfer, you can do this again. After I have finished downloading all of my files, I'm going to minimize this and anything else I have open, and I'm going to go make sure I know where those documents are located. So I'll click on this PC, I'll click on Downloads, and I'll see that I have this file here called OneDrive. If I click on that, I'm going to see all of the files that I have downloaded. The next step you will want to go through is to create a personal OneDrive account. You can do this by going to OneDrive.com. Once you go to OneDrive.com, click on the button that says Sign Up for Free. And you're going to then click the blue button that says Create a Microsoft Account. After I click that, it's going to ask me to create an account. So I will go ahead and create an account for my work. You're going to want to make sure you create an account that's specific enough so that somebody else's account isn't used. It might actually give you some options, and I'm going to just do at Outlook.com. I'm going to go ahead and click the next button, and this is telling me that this account already exists. If I want a different option, I can click the button that says Claim One That's Available. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the Luke.Bryan2019 at Outlook.com. I will go ahead and click Next, and I'm going to choose a password for myself. And I'll click Next. It's going to ask you to go ahead and put in this security information. After you enter an email address and a password, you might be prompted to add in a phone number, at which you will get a text message that will give you a Microsoft access code. Once you put in your access code, you're going to be brought to this Welcome to OneDrive screen. Within this screen, you are going to see that you now have a Documents folder. You can transfer the documents that you downloaded into this folder. The easiest way I find to do this is to drag and drop to upload. So I minimize my screen here and I make it smaller. I go back to the Documents, to the Downloads folder. So if you had closed that, you'd go to this PC and you'd go to Downloads, go back into your OneDrive folder, and you could take all of these files at one time, click and drag them right into that new Documents folder, and it will begin the upload process. You can see now that I have 4 documents in there, and to see my documents, I can click right in there. This should be familiar looking to you. When you're all finished with that process, you could click on your name in the top right corner and go to Sign Out. And then from that point in the future, anytime you wanted to access your personal OneDrive account, you would just go into OneDrive.com and click on the Sign In button, and you would put in the username and password that you just created. If you need any help with this process, please feel free to come down and see us, and we'll gladly walk you through it. I hope that helps you.